Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can create your new project in Vivado on any board, development board. So I will demonstrate it in two ways. One by using the manual method, and the second will be through the tickle, the tool command language, which is extensively used as a scripting languages to automate the processes and to make the workflow more efficient. So let's start first with the manual method. To create your project, you need to click on the create project and then click next. Here you can give your project any name like manual. So this is the manual project creation. You can select the directory of your project according to your PC and then click next. Here I am selecting RTL project and I am not specifying any sources at this time. So you can select the configuration according to your development environment, and then I will click on the next. And here from the list of the boards, as I have access to the Z board, so I will select the Zboard Zinc Evaluation and Development Kit, and then I will click on the next button, and now I will click the finish. Now you have already noticed I have almost selected 5 to 6 steps before I reached here. Now I have to further do is to create a block design by clicking on the block design, create block design under the project manager. Under IP integrator you can see the create block design, then click on create block design, and here you can give your design a name and you can select the project directory where your design will be saved, and you can also select a pre-existing block design if you have, so you can specify the source set if you have any. So I will go with the new one and I will remain the name as it is. So let's click OK, and now you have to wait before the Vivado create a new project. Okay, so now I will click on this plus icon in order to add IP, and here I am adding the Zinc processing system as the Z development board is built on the Zinc processing system, which is an ARM Cortex-M dual core processor, Cortex A9 more specifically. So I will be adding this IP, and I have to add it in every project I have to create on the Zinc platform. I have to do the same steps again and again every time I will create a new project. So after the manual method, I will give you some tickle commands like 4 to 5 commands by which you just need to enter those commands, and all the settings will be done automatically in less than 10 seconds. And here it almost consume over 2 to 3 minutes if we are able to create a project without any error. Here what I will do, run block automation. So I will click on the run block automation, so we can apply the board presets and configure it accordingly. And now I will double click on the Zinc processing system, and what I am trying to do is to make this project as simple as possible so that you can easily follow me if you want to automate your workflow by using the tickle. And here we go, let's validate this design if everything is okay and okay. So let's now somehow I'm able to develop a development environment by adding the Zinc new block design and adding some Zinc processing system. So it takes almost 4 to 5 minutes to build these basic steps in order to start developing your project. So what I am trying to do is to give you a set of commands, set of tickle commands by which you can easily create this project automatically within 10 to 15 seconds, right? So what I am trying to do is I am closing this project, I am not saving it, and I will create the same project for you. At this time this will take less than 10 or 20 seconds to create the same workflow, so that you can realize the power of tickle, how efficiently you can use tickle in our daily workflow. So I have expand my TCL console so you can see what kinds of tickle commands I am entering. So this is a very small script. By using this script you can easily do the all the steps we have did previously by using the manual project creation method, which almost 99% of the developers follow that manual method, and they don't know how to use tickle to automate their processes so that they can uh, they will become much more efficient and they can save a lot of time. So these are 5 to 6 lines of tickle commands. I am entering it in the tickle console, and now and I click enter, and it starts creating my project automatically. I don't have to do anything, it will do all the stuff I have to do manually. And here I think we have successfully created the same project which previously took 4 to 5 minutes, and this time we do it in just 10 or to 15 seconds or even less. So that's all about today's video about the tickle, which is very frequently used by the developers to automate the embedded workflows. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'm also planning to start a new series on the zinc, where I will try to teach each and every concept from the scratch, and I will try to build some projects like by using some basic protocols like UART SPI and I2C. So if you want to get the notification of those upcoming tutorials, so please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.